Let's talk about how to use Python for real-time data streaming in Apache Kafka. Did you know that companies like LinkedIn, Netflix, and Uber process billions of events daily using Apache Kafka? Paired with Python, you can build data pipelines quickly and efficiently. I am Alvaro Justus, Solutions Architect at BIX Tech, and I am excited to show you how to set up and use Python with Apache Kafka to stream data in real time. Apache Kafka is a high-throughput distributed message system perfect for handling real-time data streams. Combine it with Python, you go get powerful toolset for quickly prototyping and efficiently data handling. We'll go to step-by-step covering an overview of Apache Kafka and Python's role, set up Kafka and Python environment, explain producer and consumer in Python, running and optimizing new real-time data streams. Now that we are outlining the plan, let's dive into details. Kafka uses topics to organize messages and partitions for scalability. Producer sends data, consumers read it, and partitions ensure parallel processes and message order. Okay, let's explain our case of this project. Imagine you are responsible for real-time monitoring of orders for an online store that sells sports goods. You need to process these orders, purchase details, value, product, category, etc., and display them on a dashboard to track sales volume and revenue in real time. About infrastructure, uh, here is my Docker Compose with a basic project setup, including Zookeeper here, Kafka, and Postgres. So let's explain your producer script. Okay, generate syntax order. It's a function that creates a random order with category, status, value, seat, payment, method, and discount using the library faker. This lib make syntactic data. Run producer initializes a Kafka producers connected to localhost 9092, converts order to JSON and sends to Kafka. And here have infinite loop. Every half second to 2 seconds, it generates new order, prints, and send it to order stopped. And producer flush ensure all messages are properly sent before the next iteration. This is your producer script. Okay, now let's talk about the consumer script. This is a Kafka consumer that reads order from the order stop key and inserts them into a Postgres database. So here we have a Kafka consumer that connected the Kafka to localhost, listen to the order stop key, and deserialize JSON data. So Postgres connection use Postgres PsychoPG2 to connect the Kafka DB and enables autocommit. Consumer loop here process each received messaging, extract the order files, and insert them in a database using insert into orders. Console log prints a message confirming which order inserted into the database. And about the last script, let's talk about your Streamlit app.py. This is a real-time Streamlit dashboards that display the latest order from Python SQL. Here we have a database connection that uses SQL Alchemy to fit the last 200 orders from Kafka DB, filtering by stats if needed. Here we have an interactive filter. Users can select the order status and set the refresh interval. between 2 and 20 seconds. The next we have KPIs and metrics. Display total orders, total revenue, average order value, cancellations, and conversion rate. And here we have the charts using the libplotly. We have key insights with sales by category using a bar plot, sales distribution by the city here using a pie chart, sales trend over time using a line chart, sales by payment method using a bar chart too, and average discount by category using a bar chart too. And for the last, we have live updates. The loop loads the data, updates the metrics and charts based on the user-defined refresh interval between 2 and 20 seconds. Okay, so let's upload our containers first. Let's do that. All right, now let's enter the container connected to the Postgres database and create the orders table if it don't exist. Okay, here we are drop table with don't exist and create a table if not exist orders. So, okay, let's check if it was created successful. Orders. Perfect. Let's run your Streamlit. So here, let's run Streamlit. Run Streamlit happy.py. Okay, let me check. Okay, it's running. Now in a new terminal, let's run the producer by script to start to produce data for your order to stop in Kafka. Okay, Python producer.py. Again, in another terminal, let's run the consumer by script. Python consumer.py. Okay, let's run. Finally, let's watch the producer generating data, the consumer processing and setting it to database, and Streamlit pulling data directly from the database. So actually, producers are sending the order created with a faker lib data and put it into the database. Here we are confirming these order are inserted in the database. So the flow is producer data here and consumer the data of the top key that producer here and that put in the database. So the Streamlit are not consuming directly from the Kafka. The consumer is here, and the consumer have a one job that put this data in the database. The Streamlit consuming the data directly from the database. So let's see here the data. So we have the last 200 data about the last 200 orders from the database. All right, we can change the refresh time here. And here we can do all the charts that I'm saying before. We've now covered all the key points on how to use Python for real-time data streaming in Apache Kafka, infrastructure configuration, and building producers and consumers to efficiently process data. Ready to take your real-time streaming to the next level? Check out your next video, how to build a streaming analytics application with Kafka and Flink. This will help you to create an advanced analytics pipeline, achieve more complex processes, and gain deeper insights. We develop innovative products for startups and industry leaders. We often software development, data engineering, artificial intelligence, and nearshore solutions to drive your company results with cutting-edge technology. Want to keep the conversation going? Get in touch with BIX Tech. We are ready to help you on your real-time data stream journey. For more insights, click on the suggested video and don't forget to subscribe for more content. See you next time.